Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today is your second day of new session 2021. So dear students, welcome to the science class. Students, this is your science book which is Science Fact File 1. The first chapter of this book which is Science Skills. In last lecture we studied about the topic what is science. Today topic which we study laboratory safety and taking measurements. Now we are going to start the reading of these topics to understand the concepts. The first topic is laboratory safety. Before starting to read this topic, students look at these pictures carefully given on the right side of the topic. Can you differentiate between these two pictures? In this picture, they tell us what are important laboratory safety rules which you remembered. Students, these pictures is a science laboratory picture which can be a very dangerous place. Whenever you are working in a science laboratory, it is important that you work safely both for your own sake and that of everyone else in your class. It is therefore important to have a set of safety rules. The first rule is always wear lab coat when you are working in the lab. Always wear safety glasses when you are working in lab. Never play around the lab during the performing of experiment. Don't eat in laboratory. The second topic is taking measurements. In everyday life and when carrying out scientific experiment, you use your sense to make observations. You can smell gases given off, see colors change and hear fizzes and pops. However, you cannot use your sense for everything and you cannot trust them to give the correct answer. Fortunately, there are many occasions such as weighing yourself at home or doing experiment in class when you do not have to depend on your senses to make observations. You can use measuring instrument instead. So don't depend entirely on your senses. Use a measuring instrument whenever you can. The photographs below show some measuring instrument, what they measure and the units used. The first measurement is length. The length of an object can be measured with a ruler or a tape measure. This is a ruler. We can use this ruler to measure the length of any object. The length of any object can be measured in millimeters, centimeter and meter and also kilometer. The second measurement is volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. कोई भी चीज़ जितनी जगह घेरती है वो उसका वॉल्यूम कहलाती है. The volume of a regular even shaped object such as a cube can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. Here you can see a cube. This is a regular shape. जब हम इसका वॉल्यूम मेजर करेंगे तो हम इसकी लेंथ, इसकी विड्थ और इसकी हाइट को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे और वो इसका वॉल्यूम आ जाएगा. इफ़ वी हैव अ इरेगुलर शेप्ड ऑब्जेक्ट with like water or any liquid, then how we measure the volume of that object? Then we take a measuring flask and fill that liquid into the measuring flask. जब कोई भी लिक्विड को measuring flask में डालेंगे वो जितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाई करेगा और उसके ऊपर measuring flask के ऊपर कुछ रीडिंग्स होंगी. हम उस रीडिंग से नोट कर लेंगे कि उस जो इरेगुलर ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका वॉल्यूम कितना है. We can measure the volume in milliliters, centiliters and liters, and these also their units. The third measurement is mass. Mass is the amount of matter in something. किसी भी चीज़ के अंदर जितना मैटर होगा वो उसका mass कहलाएगा. In simple wording, we can say that कोई भी चीज़ जितनी भारी होती है वो उसका मैस कहलाती है, ठीक है। द मैस ऑफ समथिंग कैन बी फाउंड बाय यूजिंग वेइंग स्केल्स और बैलेंस. These are the instrument which is used to measure the mass. The units of mass is grams and kilograms. The fourth one measurement is temperature. Temperature means how hot something is. कोई भी चीज़ कितनी गर्म है वो उसका टेम्परेचर कहलाती है. How we can measure the temperature? We can measure the temperature by using thermometer. And thermometer is a measuring instrument to measure the temperature. Degree Celsius, sometimes called degree centigrade, are the units of temperature. On the Celsius scale, the numbers were chosen to that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freeze at 0 degrees Celsius. The lowest possible temperature is called absolute zero, which is minus 273 degrees centigrade. For some scientific work, it is convenient to use a temperature scale starting at absolute zero. The scale is called Kelvin scale and has degrees which are the same size as those on the Celsius scale. Thus, 273 Kelvin equals to 0 degree Celsius and 373 Kelvin is equal to 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. यानी कि अगर हमारे पास 273 केल्विन हो गए तो वो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बराबर होंगे और 373 केल्विन जो है वो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बराबर होगा. द फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल हैज़ मच स्मॉलर डिग्री देन द केल्विन एंड सेल्सियस स्केल. सेल्सियस और केल्विन स्केल से सबसे छोटा कौन सा स्केल है? फ़ारेनहाइट. इस स्केल पर वाटर का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट कितना है? 32 फ़ारेनहाइट एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितना है? 212 Fahrenheit. The units of temperature are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Students, can you see this box? We can read it and understand the concept which is given in this box. The standard unit used for measurement are called SI units. कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट जो हम मेजरमेंट के लिए लेते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? SI यूनिट. For example, SI unit for length is meter. The SI unit for mass is the kilogram, and the SI unit for time is second. The last one measurement is time. Time can be measured with a stop clock or stopwatch. These are the measuring instrument which is used to measure the time. What are the units of time? Seconds, minutes are the units of time which is commonly used in science. Hours is also a unit of time. Now we are going to start the test yourself of book which is on page number 7. The first question is, why do scientists use measuring instrument? The answer is scientists use measuring instrument to get information result as they cannot depend on their senses. The question number 2 is, which units are used to measure volume, length, mass, time and temperature? The answer is volume measured in millimeters, milliliters, centiliters, liters and centimeters. Length measures in millimeter, kilometers, meters and centimeters. Mass measures in grams and kilograms. Times measured in seconds and minutes. Temperature measures in degree Celsius. The third question, which measuring instrument would you use to measure? The mass of a bag of flour, the length of a piece of cloth, the volume of a stone, the temperature of a cup of tea, the time taken to run a race. Electronic balance, tape measures, measuring cylinder, thermometer, stopwatch. The fourth one question is, make a list of 4 measuring instruments in your home. Clock, tape measures, thermometers, weighing scales. Students, today we study about laboratory safety and taking measurements. Stay safe at your home and keep praying for your country. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.